Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a quick tutorial on this look right here. As you can see, it's super colorful, super bright. I use the Pinky Rose Bright Lights palette right here, and I love all these colors, and I have actually done 2 tutorials on this palette already, and if you want to check those out, those will be on my channel. But this one will be a quick colorful makeup tutorial. This will be a colorful quick makeup tutorial, so I hope you enjoy it. But before we begin, I just want to mention I post videos every Sunday, Tuesday and Friday, as well as bonus videos throughout the week, so be sure to check back for more content. I am always posting videos. But now that I'm done with rambling, let's just get into the video. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial with the Bright Lights palette by Pinky Rose Cosmetics. I have been really liking this palette, if you have not been able to tell from my last 2 tutorials with this palette, but it's a really great one. I am just about to do a review on it. I'm not sure if it has already been posted or if it's going to be posted after this video. I have to, I have to see. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, this very quick tutorial on this look right here. If you want to see the other 2 looks I've done with this palette, be sure to check down in the description box or in the cards or on my channel. Just type in Pinky Rose Cosmetics or Bright Lights and you'll be able to see all the tutorials I have done with this palette. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.